Hi, this is a quick video to show some functionality issues that I'm having with my iPhone 5S. My kids are currently watching a video, so I apologize for the background noise, but here we go. So what I've got is the home page, and just to make things crystal clear, I'm going to clear the browser history so that we're starting from scratch. And the issue that I'm having is the back button I'm using Chrome, is going back too many steps. So let's test that. So what do I mean by that? So if I launch the demo, there we go, and click on any page, Flinders Ranges. Okay, so I'll just move that out of the way. So I have the Flinders Ranges page loaded. We've loaded 3 pages. Now, if I clicked the back button, here you would expect it to go to the demo page. That was the page for this one. So, on my phone, click the back button, which I've just done now. Well, it's a bit odd. So it's gone to that hasn't gone back at all. It's basically refreshed that page. It's just refreshed that page. Now if I hold the forward, I've got Sonic Gems. That's the home page. It's really weird. Nothing there. Back again. So the demo page is nowhere to be seen in the forward or back. And this is only for Chrome. And only on my iPhone 5S. Okay, so I just thought I'd go quickly into Firefox on the same device. So iPhone 5S, and now I'm in the Firefox browser. So let's have a look at what this does. Okay, so I'll just go to demo. Now, new page, one will do. Click on that, load the page. Okay, so the page is for the most part loaded now. So I'll click the back button. And there we go, that's what I would expect. I would expect it to go back to the demo page. So there's definitely a problem. So if I just hold down forward, what have we got? Yeah, so the Kakadu page, demo, home page in order. Yeah, that's exactly how it should be, but on Chrome, iPhone 5S doing something erratic. To recap, I tried it on an Android device, and it seemed okay on there. So that's essentially it. If you could have a look, that would be great. And if you need any more screenshots or video for testing, I'm happy to do that. Okay, thanks. Cheers.